So this is my 1981 Pontiac Trans Am, but it's not Trans Am. So it looks like, but it's not. Well, it was kept in perfect condition, as you can notice. And what I can say, I was about to do a video some couple of months ago, but yeah, I'm trying to start doing something, and I didn't have time for that. But yeah, now I will try to make a look around, show what I need to do, which is just a thing or two. It's a lot of stuff that I don't know where to start. So let's start from the back, because at the back I think it's the worst part of it. So as you can see, Trans Am, perfect. So yeah, I think I have a small issue here, because apparently I moved the trunk lid, I think it's trunk lid, and all of that stuff there also moves. Interesting. And apparently I can see my finger right there. Yeah. So I think I need this kind of panel here and replace it. Not sure how to do it though, but yeah, for those who don't know, this car is not in the US, so it's hard to find parts and everything related to this in here, but I will manage to do that. So the top of the car is interesting, and yeah, someone did a hole here for a sunroof, and then I don't know, maybe it got tired of getting water, so the guy just covered this with this I don't even know what this is, to be honest. Looks some kind of leather or something like that. Okay, so the plan for this is to keep it right, at least for the moment, and let's see what we can do. So yeah, just a little bit rust here, surface rust maybe, or maybe not, I don't know, time will tell. I think it's missing something here on these windows, because the gap here is a lot. Not sure what is missing here, but yeah, the driver's door was the hinges. I took them out because it was a lot of play on them, so I have a video for those as well. So this is, I think it will be the first episode of infinite episodes. The seats are quite nice. It's missing one of those on that side, don't know why. Yeah, this is for this one, that one, so it's missing one here. So if someone has one of this color, I would appreciate. Yeah, for the interior it's quite nice. However, that side is, there is something that I want to show you. Close the lid. Perfect. It has this big antenna to catch some, I don't know. So here, look what I found here. Ta-da! American metal that it's so good. Rust love this kind of metal. Look, my finger there. So yeah, this has to come out. I already know where to buy this stuff, but I'm not sure how to get. Let's see, time will tell. Actually, here, yeah, this cap here has some gap here, so maybe the water just came through. Okay, so this here, this floor and the trunk are the worst parts as it concerned with rust. So the dash, look, I only saw one or two Esprits on the internet, and none of them had the tech. Doesn't work then though, but we will see. Not sure if I will keep this or not, maybe not. That's why the big antenna. And also this wheel here has to come off. A little damage here. We'll try to fix this. But other than that, at night, this looks good. Awesome. You cannot even, yeah. No, it's bad. Let's see the engine now. Let's try to do it on one hand. There you go. So I sent that hinge for repair as well, because it had a lot of play and I couldn't close the hood perfectly, even though the hood is I don't know what's wrong with this how do you call the wheel covers? No, not wheel covers. Forgot the name. Never mind. But the hood is scratching this side of the fenders. Yeah, fenders. Yeah. So I'm not sure how to adjust this. Okay. Regarding the engine. Yeah. I think I have some missing cylinders, because yeah, it's not running perfectly, and I measured the temperature on the exhaust side and it was not balanced. So those at the back and this and on the other side, it seems that it's not working, because the temperature was too low, 100 degrees low, more or less. So yeah, not sure what to do with this. but I will figure it out. So rust here on the hood as well. I don't even know if it is missing parts here. I don't even know what this is for. Yeah. Okay, I know what this is. Let's see. So today I will do a compression test on this to see how the cylinders are, and I will go from there. I already took the carburetor off because, yeah, I think I need a new one. So I didn't tell that this is 267 engine, so 4.4. I think it's the best one, right? Best. It's better than a Trans Am. No, it's not. So yeah, at least we don't have another Trans Am on YouTube, right? It's a different thing. As for the suspension, yeah, it's not there, so it needs to come out and refresh everything. So these parts, they will be hard to find, but yeah, with time and effort, it will be good again. At least that's the spirit. Hey, it's the model of the car, right? Esprit. Okay, this is it. The lamp, I need at least this one. Yeah, I need this one. I will need this one. This is all broken. Yeah.